This recording was made on January 20th, 2018. There's another event where my head was hurting and I didn't know why. You can see in this recording unusual things in the dome light, and here's purple and orange and red over here, and go slow. Look at my face. Painful images. Those are images being projected right on my face. It can't be from there. I think that's, you can do the back of it, but it's got to be coming out of my dash. Right there. Look, my neck right here. Let me have to come out of the dash. It's getting me here on my neck, right there, back there and there. This was lightened just a little bit. Shows this is illuminating. Up here there's a big dark spot. At my eyes. Well, there's the projection happening right now. This is all fogged up, so is that. And look at the top of my head. It's that same. I swear it's to look like I'm bleeding. Let's go look at that. This is the dome light. Look at all the images and debris. And their individual line of faces. Now how could they be in a perfect line if they were just projected and floating through the air? So they're on the light. They're too uniform not to be on the light. All the way along back there. There, that's got images coming out of it.